In a groundbreaking discovery that has captured the imagination of the world, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has potentially made a monumental observation. The telescope, renowned for its unprecedented ability to peer into the distant reaches of the universe, has observed what some scientists believe to be the artificial lights of a distant city, located a staggering 7 trillion miles away. This discovery, if confirmed, would not only be one of the most important findings in the history of space exploration, but it could also provide the first concrete evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life. The James Webb Space Telescope, a game-changer. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, has been hailed as the successor to the iconic Hubble Space Telescope. Unlike Hubble, which primarily operates in the visible and ultraviolet spectrum, JWST focuses on infrared light, allowing it to see further into space and through cosmic dust that previously obscured our view. This ability has opened up a new window into the universe, enabling astronomers to study the early formation of stars, galaxies, and potentially even alien worlds. Since its launch, JWST has delivered breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and exoplanets. However, the latest report, suggesting that the telescope might have observed city lights from an alien civilization, has taken its capabilities to an entirely new level. If these observations are confirmed, they would represent the most compelling evidence yet of intelligent extraterrestrial life. The discovery, artificial lights in space? The potential discovery was made during an observation of a distant exoplanet orbiting a star located about 7 trillion miles away, roughly 1,100 light-years. While studying this exoplanet's atmosphere for potential signs of life, scientists noticed unusual light patterns that could not be easily explained by natural processes. The light was observed in the infrared spectrum, a wavelength that JWST is particularly adept at detecting. What makes this observation so extraordinary is that the light appears to be coming from the planet's dark side, the side that is not facing its parent star. On Earth, this would be equivalent to seeing city lights from space, where artificial illumination is visible even when the sun is not shining. This has led some researchers to speculate that the light could be the result of advanced technology, such as streetlights or other forms of artificial illumination used by an alien civilization. However, NASA scientists are cautious about jumping to conclusions. While the data is compelling, they stress that further analysis is needed to rule out other possible explanations, such as unusual atmospheric conditions or natural phenomena that could mimic the appearance of artificial lights. Nonetheless, the prospect of detecting city lights on another planet has reignited excitement about the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The search for extraterrestrial life. The search for extraterrestrial life has been a key focus of NASA and other space agencies for decades. From the early days of listening for radio signals with the SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, project to the more recent discoveries of potentially habitable exoplanets, scientists have long believed that life beyond Earth is a real possibility. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has only increased this belief. Many of these planets reside in the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. However, finding direct evidence of intelligent life has remained elusive. The James Webb Space Telescope was not specifically designed to search for extraterrestrial life, but its powerful infrared capabilities have made it an invaluable tool for studying distant worlds. By analyzing the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, JWST can detect the presence of certain molecules, such as water, methane, and oxygen, which are considered potential indicators of life. But the latest observation, potential artificial lights, could represent a whole new level of discovery. What does this mean for humanity? The possibility of discovering intelligent life on another planet raises profound questions about humanity's place in the universe. Are we alone? Or is the universe teeming with civilizations that have evolved on distant worlds? If the lights observed by the James Webb Telescope are indeed artificial, it would suggest that we are not the only intelligent beings in the cosmos. Such a discovery could have far-reaching implications. For one, it could fundamentally change our understanding of biology, chemistry, and physics. It might also prompt us to rethink how we search for life, as traditional methods, such as looking for water or carbon-based molecules, may not apply to all forms of life. If alien civilizations are advanced enough to create artificial lighting visible from light years away, they could also possess technology that far surpasses our own, potentially leading to new scientific breakthroughs. There is also the question of communication. If we detect signs of intelligent life, should we try to contact them? While some scientists argue that we should reach out, others caution that doing so could be dangerous. After all, we have no way of knowing whether these civilizations would be friendly or hostile. The technosignature debate. The observation of possible city lights on a distant planet falls under the category of technosignatures, a term used to describe signs of advanced technology beyond Earth. These signatures could include anything from radio signals to large-scale engineering projects, such as Dyson spheres, hypothetical structures built around stars to harness their energy. The search for technosignatures has become an increasingly important area of research in the field of astrobiology. While the discovery of city lights would be a relatively simple technosignature compared to something like a Dyson sphere, it is no less significant. Detecting artificial light would suggest that the civilization responsible has developed advanced technology and possibly a thriving infrastructure. It would also indicate that these beings are at least somewhat similar to us in terms of their reliance on artificial lighting. However, some scientists urge caution in interpreting the data. The lights could be the result of natural processes that we do not yet fully understand. For example, some have speculated that unusual forms of bioluminescence or even chemical reactions in the planet's atmosphere could produce similar light patterns. More observations and detailed analysis will be needed before any definitive conclusions can be drawn. What comes next? In the coming months, NASA and its partners plan to conduct follow-up observations to gather more data on the mysterious lights. The James Webb Telescope will continue to monitor the exoplanet, and other telescopes, both on Earth and in space, may be enlisted to corroborate the findings. Scientists will also analyze the data using sophisticated computer models to simulate various scenarios and rule out natural explanations. If the lights are confirmed to be artificial, it could trigger a new era in the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists would likely focus more on technosignatures and less on traditional biosignatures, such as water and oxygen. Additionally, space agencies around the world might prioritize missions to study potentially inhabited exoplanets in greater detail. Public reaction and speculation. News of the James Webb Telescope's potential discovery has already sparked a wave of public interest and speculation. Social media is abuzz with theories about what the lights could mean, and the possibility of alien life has reignited debates about humanity's future in space. Some have even compared the discovery to the famous WOW signal, a brief radio signal detected in 1977 that some believe was of extraterrestrial origin. While NASA remains cautious in its statements, the mere suggestion that we might have observed city lights on a distant planet has captivated people around the world. For many, the discovery represents a tantalizing glimpse into a future where humanity might one day make contact with other intelligent beings. Conclusion. The James Webb Space Telescope has already transformed our understanding of the universe, but its potential observation of city lights 7 trillion miles away could be its most astonishing achievement yet. If the lights are indeed artificial, it would provide the first concrete evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life and open up a new chapter in the search for life beyond Earth. While much work remains to be done before we can say for certain what the telescope observed, the mere possibility of detecting alien city lights has reignited excitement about space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Whether or not we are alone in the universe, one thing is clear. The James Webb Space Telescope has brought us closer than ever before to answering that age-old question.